Hey guys, this is Milan Jara from Decorative Ceiling Tiles, and I want to show you a video where we have installed these faux stone panels in our showroom on a wall that wasn't particularly the easiest one because it had an opening, a door opening, it had plugs, it had an outside corner, and I have asked this installation to be done by my friend Jose Almeida from Silver Star One, which has done an excellent job and completed everything, um, doing a frame for the door, framing out the switches and the plugs. So if you have thought about doing a stone wall in your home, you can install these outdoors. You can do them inside. They cut like regular wood. They are lightweight, and if you are in South Florida, I do recommend Jose Almeida for any type of remodeling. He has been working with us for over 15 years as a contractor. His company is called Silver Star One. So you can visit our website, decorativeceilingtiles.net, to check out these faux stone panels. We also have brick in various colors. Thanks for watching.